Before you go to any meeting or even a job interview, you must make a connection with the soul of the person. Soul to soul, heart to heart, that's essential. So what do? You call the person by name, Gia, the name of the person from this company. Could you please come? This is what I would like to speak to you about today. And then you share your talents, your aptitudes, whatever you want to share. And you finish this meeting as the person is in front of you, and you say, thank you for coming. Please respectfully return. Gonçon, Gonçon, Gonçon. Thank you for coming. And you can do this with relationships. Like if you have a disharmony with anyone, you just call the soul of the person to bring love, peace, and harmony. This is a soul secret. You cannot miss it. You have to connect with the soul. This soul connection is essential to bring love, peace, and harmony and successful in everything you do. Thank you. Practice, experience, benefit. See you soon. Bye-bye.